All right, number 31 on page 610 asks us to solve this equation. Just like the one in the notes, if you have four terms, or anytime you have a four-term polynomial, oftentimes a factor by grouping technique might work. So let's try it. Out of the first two, I can factor out a 3 tangent squared theta, leaving me with a tangent theta minus 1. Out of the second group, I can take out a negative 1, leave me with tangent theta minus 1. So it worked. Take out the tangent theta minus 1, leaves me with a 3 tangent squared theta minus 1. Set this equal to 0, tangent of theta is equal to 1. Set this equal to 0, tangent squared theta is equal to positive 1/3. Square root both sides, plus minus, don't forget. So the tangent of theta is equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. Alright, so unit circle time. Oops. So where's the tangent equal to 1? All students take calculus. Tangent's going to be a positive 1 in these two spots, the 45-degree angles. And it's going to be plus or minus square root of 1 over square root of 3 at the 4 small angles. Oof. A lot of solutions there. So theta equals, let's get these two. That would be pi 6 plus pi k. Handles those two. And then 5 pi 6. Oh, I don't know why I skipped over pi force. Let's do this one next. Pi force plus pi k handles those two. And then 5 pi 6 plus pi k handles those two. Okay, that's it.